Graphing. Practice number 4. Number 1. 2x minus 4y equals 2. Make a table of values for x is equal to negative 4, x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 4. Substitute each value of x, then solve for y. In your table of values, you'll put the x on the left-hand side, and you'll put the y on the right-hand side. We'll start by replacing x with negative 4. When x is equal to negative 4, we'll solve for y. So the formula is 2x minus 4y equals 2. Replace the x with negative 4. So we have 2 times negative 4 minus 4y equals 2. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Minus 4y equals 2. To remove the negative 8, we add 8 to the left-hand side, which means we add 8 to the right-hand side as well. Negative 8 plus 8 will cancel, and 2 plus 8 on the right-hand side. This leaves us with negative 4y, which equals 10. To remove the negative 4 multiplied by y, we have to divide the left-hand side by negative 4. And that means we have to divide the right-hand side by negative 4 as well. The negative 4's on the left-hand side will cancel, leaving us with y. And 10 divided by negative 4 is negative 2.5. So when x is equal to negative 4, y is equal to negative 2.5. We'll now substitute 0 for the x and solve for y again. When x is equal to 0, replace the x with 0 in the equation and solve for y. 2 times 0 minus 4y equals 2. 2 times 0 is 0, leaving us with negative 4y minus 2. To remove the negative 4, we divide the left-hand side by negative 4, which means we divide the right-hand side by negative 4 as well. The negative 4's on the left-hand side will cancel, leaving us with y. And 2 divided by negative 4 is going to be negative 0.5. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 0.5. And our last plotted point will be x is equal to 4. So when x is equal to 4, we'll replace the x with 4 and solve for y. 2 times 4 minus 4y equals 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So 8 minus 4y equals 2. To remove the 8 from the left-hand side of the equation, we have to subtract 8 from the left-hand side, which means we subtract 8 from the right-hand side as well. Plus 8 and minus 8 will cancel, leaving us with negative 4y. And for the 2 minus 8, we're going to add the opposite. opposite of 8 is negative 8, so this will be 2 plus negative 8. That gives us an answer of negative 6. The next step is we have to divide by negative 4 on the left-hand side to remove the negative 4 times y, which means we divide the right-hand side by negative 4 as well. Negative 4s will cancel, leaving us with y. And negative 6 divided by negative 4 gives us an answer of 1.5. So when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1.5. We'll now plot this on the graph. So we'll start when x is equal to negative 4, y is equal to negative 2.5. Our next plotted point is when x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 0.5. And finally, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1.5. We'll then take the plotted points and draw a straight line to connect the dots. And we're left with an oblique line.